students, welcome to the course of industrial engineering. Today we are going to start principle of material handling. In the continuation of our last lecture, that is material handling, we see the types of material handling. What is material handling? Why material handling is so much important, and so on. Today we are going to see a leftover topic, that is principle of material handling. Principle of material handling. We have lots of things or lots of criteria on which principle of material handling is based. We will see one by one all the principles enumerate and write each and every principles for material handling. First principle is planning. Not first principle, that is something related to principle for material handling. Some point on which principle of material handling base. That is, first number is planning. Write down planning. Principle of planning. Principle of planning in all material activities. In all material activities is needed for efficient operation. Is needed for efficient operation. Okay? Got it? I'm telling again, principle of planning in all material activities is needed for efficient operation. Means planning is the utmost point on which principle is based. Second number, system analysis. Second number, system analysis. Means we have to go through the all systems involved from handling of raw material to the last finished product that we are producing, and handling it to stacking. Okay? Means we have to go through all system and analyze it. Write down in system analysis. Effort should be made. Effort should be made to integrate various activities. To integrate various activities such as receipt of raw material, receipt of raw material and finished good and finished goods. Okay. Third point on which principle of material handling based is material flow. Okay. Material flow means the material should not be in a static position. Material must flow from one point to another so that there should not be congestion in the production area. Okay, write down. Immediate flow of material, immediate flow of material leads to immediate flow of material leads to better plant layout, leads to better plant layout. Okay. Fourth one, simplification. Simplification. Okay. Fourth one is simplification. Means, write down in the simplification. Means by combining or eliminating, by combining or eliminating unnecessary movement of the product or equipment of the product or equipment, comma, handling could be simplified. Handling could be simplified. Okay. Fifth one, gravity. How principle of material handling is affected by gravity. Here, the movement of material, the movement of material is based on gravity, that is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, write down. As far as possible, as far as possible, force of gravity, force of gravity should be utilized, should be utilized to move material. Okay. Sixth one, space utilization. Means we have to utilize the space that is allotted for production or securing raw material and different machine, that is on which different process is going on. We have to utilize our space in a manner so that material should be handled in the minimum movement. Okay, means material handling on the base of minimum movement. Write down the space allotted. The space allotted for the plant should be effectively utilized for minimum movement of material. For minimum movement of material. Okay. Next, यहाँ बोर्ड भर गया है, इसको रब करते हैं. Next, unit size 7 point. Unit size means the principle of metal handling is also based on the size of the material that we are going to handle or that we are going to move from one place to another. Okay, write down the increase of quantity. The increase of quantity and size of the unit in the transportation should be encouraged. Next, mechanization. Mechanization means what are the mechanisms that you are going to employ for material handling process. Okay, write down handling operation should be simplified by mechanization. Next, safety. Safety is the utmost criteria for meeting principle of material handling. Okay, means there should be our priority of safety for the worker that is going to handle our material. As well, the safety of material also include the principle of material handling. Write down Principle of safety must be incorporated. Principle of safety must be incorporated in handling equipment. Okay. Last 10 point. We have number of points that include the principle of material handling, but we are discussing here only 10. Last, capacity. Capacity includes means your material handling equipment should not be used with the with below their capacity. Means if a trolley has capacity of 500 or 100 of bricks, then you have to fulfill all the bricks inside the trolley. Okay, write down. Handling equipment should not be used below their capacity. Should not be used below their capacity. Okay. That's all for now for principle of metal handling. There is two, three small points related to principle of metal handling that we will discuss later. Today's lecture is only based on different point or different criteria. It's going to influence the principle of material handling process. Most probably, in the next lecture, we will see the process planning, and that is very important topic related to our industrial engineering subject. Okay. Now that's all for now. Thank you.